Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Taskrabbit. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just heard about Taskrabbit. How do you actually go ahead about using it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that you need to do is that you need to set your location with Taskrabbit. So simply click on the upper left-hand corner where your location is. And then from this page here, you just enter your street address and then click on save. So once you set your location, this is where you're going to see all the tasks that you may need help with. So there's TV mounting, furniture assembly, cleaning, general mounting, wallpaper. So simply just click on one of these mounting or projects. So let's say that we need help with cleaning. And then once you open up cleaning, it's going to ask you to confirm the task's location. So right now we just have some blurred out information here. Then we're just going to click on continue. And then once you confirm the location, it's going to ask you, this is going to be specific to the task that you're asking. So let's say you need 2 rooms cleaned, 1 bathroom, clean regularly, and none. And then after you describe your task, it's going to show you a list of taskers to reach out to. So right now it's finding different taskers in your area. So give it a couple seconds to load. And you can basically just go ahead and filter out different taskers based on their flexibility within a week. So in the upper right-hand corner, you can click on the filters and you can do price to lowest to highest. You can do positive reviews, total reviews, or completed tasks. So let's say that you want to go ahead and work with based on reviews. So you can basically just go ahead and click on one of these individuals, and then you can either select them or you can select this individual, but simply just browse around and you can read about their skills. You can see photos of their cleaning. You can read the reviews. And let's say if you select on select, the next page that it's going to take you to is that it's actually going to go ahead and ask you to schedule the task. So once you select the schedule, you'll actually have an option to actually message the tasker so that they can confirm if this is a suitable task for them. So it's pretty self-explanatory as far as just following the on-screen prompts to actually go ahead and use Taskrabbit. Other things to use is that on the bottom right-hand corner, if you click on profile, you could actually set your payment method if you click on payment, and you can also enter any promos that you might have. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use Taskrabbit. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.